Hey, what's up everybody? It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. So today I'm here in Stockton, California. It's feels like it's really early in the morning, but it's almost 11. I'm gonna go stop by my friend's house because he made some food today that I'd like to show in this video. Let's check out some home cooking. So the question is, are you hungry? Because I sure am. Alright, so we're here. Alright. This guy still sleeping? B. So, I'm here at Bora Nitas' house. They've invited me over to, well, Bora's still sleeping. But he invited me over to come try out his food that he made. Or, Nita, did you make it or did he make it? You guys both made it? Yeah. So here I am. Nita's setting it up. And it's good to see you again. Say hello. No. All right. All right. So. Oh wow! Look at that. Mahak. What? Mahakbati. Oh yeah. And you have the cabbage here with the Thai peppers, cucumbers, and is that Jamaica? Eggplant. Oh, eggplant. And it's smelling really good. Oh man, everything's laid out here. So, Nita is graciously getting everything prepared here. This is like a brunch right now. And it's smelling really good. And I'm getting pretty hungry. So I'm excited about trying the food here. Korean noodles.
That's supposed to be a fire challenge, but we add a lot of vegetables.
Yeah. They had their own stir fry in there. They added some meats and vegetables. Looks terrific. Look at this. Look at this layout here. So, let's be familiar with the food here. This is, you said it's prohok. It's a Cambodian dish, and it's cooked with ground pork. I see some chilies, ginger, garlic, all kinds of wonderful flavors in here that you use this, and you take the cabbage, eat with it. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then the Korean noodles stir fried, and Nita says to take the lettuce and we'll wrap the noodles with the lettuce. And I see a lot of Thai peppers here. Am I gonna go for all of them? And the oranges, yes, oranges. All right, so I got a plate here. I'm gonna get started with this meal here. Should I take the hat off? No, I'm gonna keep the hat on. Sorry, this is who I am. Get some water. I don't know where to start, but I'm gonna try the prohok. I'll use my chopsticks, and I'll grab some of the lettuce here, and just place some of that prohok inside of, the cabbage. I'll grab some of the cabbage here, and I'm just gonna give this a good bite here because it's needing to be bitten. Wow. So you instantly taste that turmeric, some of that tamarind powder, and the fish sauce. It's all mixed. There's a bunch of flavors in here. It tastes lemongrass too. Oh, it's wonderful. This just definitely hits the brunch. This could be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm gonna go for another bite here. Extraordinary. Really good. I don't know what to do with these Thai peppers, but I will try them. I will eat them. Now I'm gonna try the prohok with some cucumber, because you could use cucumber on it too. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it this time. Here we go.
It's good, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna try the eggplant. Oh, check that out. I got that big chunk of garlic. If you see that right there. This is Thai eggplant? No.
It's regular eggplant.
It's eggplant with the prohok. Here we go. each one of these vegetable dishes has its own unique type of texture with the prahok. I really like the cabbage with it because it gives it a good crunch. The cucumber, it makes it feel really refreshing. And the eggplant is its own unique type of texture, which works too. If I were to choose which one is best, and I hate to do that, but if I were to favor one of these vegetables, I'd probably favor the cabbage. But the cucumber comes to near second. The eggplant, it's good, but it wouldn't hurt me if it's not there. But it's still good. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in here and try these Korean noodles out. I haven't had a Thai pepper yet, and my mouth is already starting to spice up, which is a good thing. The cook says to take the lettuce, and then we're just gonna put some noodles, Korean noodles inside of it, just like a little wrap. Oh, check it out. Yeah, look at it. Ooh, uh-oh. It's falling everywhere. A little more. Let me add some of these. Are these sausages or?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see sausages here. Is that asparagus or celery? Okay, and mushrooms too. I see. They got garlic and eggs. All right, let's take a bite here. You know, I mean, it's spicy, but it's not very spicy. And all the toppings inside of it it balances everything out. And using the lettuce as a wrap, a wonderful idea. You know, I could eat the noodles by itself, but this just gives it an inventive feature, unlike any other. And I quite enjoy this actually. Let's go. Gotta get some noodles with that. Chase that pepper. Woo! Hot. These Thai peppers are pretty hot. The Scoville level on these, I don't know Scoville, I'll look it up. And I'll post it on here what Scoville level these Thai peppers are. There it goes. I was advised to wash it down with oranges. Delicious. I'm gonna keep going here. Gonna get some of that prahok. We'll see where I go with this. I'm kind of afraid to try the Thai pepper because I've already been heated up. I'm gonna leave that to the side for a little bit. Drink of water. I love this style of eating, you know. Using the meat toppings on top of vegetables. Sure, you could eat the cabbage by itself. You could eat the prahok by itself. But the combination is out of this world. I'm gonna do a cucumber, prahok, and cabbage fusion. Just like that. This is just for you guys, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and add a Thai pepper on top. Let's roll with this one here, okay? Cheers. Words can't describe how that combination just fits so perfectly. The food is so good. I'm telling you, it's good. So I went to town. There was a lot of food, really good food. And as you can see here, I finished like pretty much all of it. The food was amazing. The food was awesome. It was home cooked. And this was just a perfect brunch that I quite enjoyed. Just the flavors, especially the prahok. If you've never had prahok before, it's just a wonderful dish. To be enjoyed with vegetables, the cabbage, cucumber, the eggplant. I was told that you could eat it raw. These are raw eggplants, but it tastes much better with the eggplant cooked. It's still good, but a little bit too raw for me. The Korean noodles and the lettuce was again, just terrific. You know, I just want to give it a big thumbs up to Bora. Bora for hosting. He's asleep right now. Bora for hosting. Nita for hosting as well and getting the food ready for me. Totally just a wonderful experience, and I'd love to do it again. But other than that, thanks for watching. So peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to watch more travel videos. Thanks.